Using the Genmitsu Kiosk laser system, we're going to make a personalized gift. I found this picture on my phone that I chose to use. And to save some time, I just uploaded the photo into ChatGPT and had it convert it to a black and white photo that I could upload into the mobile app for my kiosk laser system. I chose wood for this project, so the first thing I want to do is set the gap for the laser head. Then once I have it in the right position, then I will slide that piece of wood, or whatever you want to put this project on, into the center and then lower the protective shield. Now I can run the kiosk laser system from my mobile app, and you can also run this by PC. I'll put a link in the corner if you haven't seen the video on how this works and you're interested. But now we can just let the laser do its work. Now this image took about 15 minutes and I think it came out pretty good for my initial go. Now what I want to do is clean off any soot or dust with a brush, and then in order to really accentuate some of the fine detail, what I like to do is take isopropyl alcohol and some lint-free cloths and then just dab over the whole image. One of the things you'll see is that a little more detail in the face comes to life. And of course, let's put a nice love you message on the back of this because it is for my wife for Valentine's Day. I'll put links as well as more information on how I did this in the description, but this turned out pretty cool, and this is the type of gift that you just can't get at any store. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.